I'm Adam with Adam's Welding. Today I'm coming to you from the welding rig. This is the truck I use to do most of my welding jobs with that has the engine drive on the back. With this rig, I do a lot of fabrication, farm work, just regular mobile welding for people, and I make pretty decent at it. If you follow me in this channel, maybe you can learn how to do the same. You can follow me on Instagram at Adam_welding. And you can follow me on Facebook at Adam's Welding, which is my business profile. On this channel, we're going to be doing tips, tricks, how-tos. We're going to show welding videos, how to weld, MIG, stick, TIG. We're going to show different projects I work on. And I'll be teaching you all the ins and outs of welding on a mobile rig.